Let me ask you a question. When your business starts growing, what's the first thing most founders do? They hire, need more sales, and then hire, need more marketing, they will hire, need more coordinators, they will be hiring. That's exactly what one of our enterprise clients was doing. As their business grew, so did their team. But something interesting happened. Revenue wasn't growing at the same pace as headcount. So they approached us not to build another chatbot, but to understand why productivity wasn't translating into the growth. That's where the project began. We started by auditing their complete revenue operations, and what we found was eye opening. Highly skilled employees weren't spending most of their day selling. They were researching companies, reading business news, looking for decision makers, writing emails, updating CRM, manage follow ups. Think about that. The company was paying experienced professionals to perform repetitive administrative work instead of generating revenue. Once we measured the numbers, the impact became obvious. Every month, nearly 790 productive hours were being consumed by repetitive work. Our analysis showed that almost 70% of this activity could be automated through intelligent systems. That's equivalent to their productive capacity of 3 to 4 full time employees. This wasn't an employee problem. This wasn't even a productive problem. It was process problem. The business had talented people. They were simply spending their talent on the wrong work. Now, here's what surprised us the most. The client already had AI. They were using ChatGPT, cloud, CRM software, email automation, prospecting tools. Everything looked modern, but every tool operated independently. A human still had to connect everything together, copy information, make decision, write emails, update systems. That's when we realized AI wasn't missing. Orchestration was. So instead of building one AI assistant, we designed an AI workforce. Think of it as a hiring an entire digital revenue department. One AI continuously monitor the market, another research companies, another identify decision makers, another qualify leads, another writes personalized outreach in the founder's communication style, another manage CRM updates, follow-ups, and executive reporting. Every AI has one responsibility. Together, they operate like coordinated team. Here is how the system works. It starts by continuously monitoring business signal. When an opportunity appears, the AI immediately researches the company. It identifies the right decision makers, scores the opportunity, prepares personalized outreach. The founder simply reviews and approves it. From there, the AI sends the communication, updates the CRM, tracks the responses, and automatically manages the follow-ups. Humans stay in control, AI handles the execution. The biggest transformation isn't the faster emails, it's changing how the entire business operates. Instead of spending time preparing to sell, the sales team spends time selling. Instead of reacting to opportunities, the business starts identifying them proactively. Administration decreases, revenue generating activities increases. That's what AI orchestration should deliver. From a founder's perspective, this changes everything. Instead of asking, what is my sales team doing today? You already know. Every morning you can see new opportunities, high priority leads, personalized emails ready for approval, meeting booked, and your live revenue pipeline. You are no longer managing activities, you are managing the outcomes. I believe this is where enterprise AI is heading. Most business are investing in AI tools, very few are investing on AI workforces. There's a huge difference. AI tools help people work smarter. AI workforce help business operates differently. That's a competitive advantage we will see over the next 5 years. The project wasn't about replacing employee, it was about eliminating repetitive work so people can focus on the humans do best. Strategy, relationship, negotiation, decision making, and closing business. At Boost My Sites, this is exactly what we specialize in. We don't just automate workflows, we design the agentic AI workforce that transform how business operate. If you are a founder wondering how AI can create a measurable business impact, not just automating individual tasks, I'd be happy to show you what an AI workforce could look like for your organization. Thanks for watching.